So, we should consider, say, this next question, say, what will be the thing wey concern Israel for all this prophecy? Should they get wetin them would do for this prophecy? Well, the answer, yes. Because you see, many people believe, say, many things wey Baba God they teach us about some certain things. All of them that Israel they talk about. For example, the fig tree, where would they talk? For that parable of the fig tree, now Israel they talk. So when you understand the parable about the fig tree, you go understand waiting God they talk about the nation when they call Israel. So Israel get waiting in go do for this whole thing. This thing he gets to do with Israel just as he get to do with everybody. How I take note this one? Make we read waiting Bible talk. For the book of Romans chapter 11 for verse 20, I read 25 and 26. Make I read that from now. Romans 11:25. Say, my friend, I no one make una dey boast about una self. So I will tell you now wetin happen to Israel people. Some among them stubborn well, and na so them go be until the number for Gentile people where God wants don't complete. Now so God go save all Israel people just as in word say, the person where go save the Israel people go come from Zion. Then Jacob's children no go they do bad things again. Now if you read that, if you understand what we talk for verse 25, he said waiting about God they wait now the number of Gentile people will not follow for the original agreement with Israel. Because now not saying God be get agreement with Israel. Now, he can't take say because of the way they take handle the matter. He say he go bring other people. If you understand the book of John chapter 10, well. You get some other people where Baba God also want add to the people of Israel. And now those people now be me and you, because we don't follow from the originate. So God carry us add so that all of us to will benefit from all the better things we God get for Israel people. But he say this number, he get a certain number when they wait for. So once that number don't complete, he will go back to his people, save as many of them. But una go know say not be everybody when they call themselves Israelites be God pikin. Una know that one. We go talk that matter for another time. But now so the thing matter. So Israel now the center of everything they discuss here. So whether you believe them or not, Israel get waiting they do for this matter. What would they lose? So Israel now one country where you gas the watch to understand what things that God they do for this end times with this. Now so maybe we go to the next question. So this next question now the question with other people, many people don't hear, if you don't hear that too. Question now, waiting be Armageddon. So in a person name, now the name of a place, now the name of something, or now waiting be this thing that they call Armageddon, and waiting consign us for this thing that they call Armageddon. Make we read the Bible for the book of Revelation, chapter 16 or verse number 16. See what in Bible talk for them. He said the demon spirits gather the king and their soldiers there for the place where Hebrew people they call Armageddon. He gather the demon spirits. Now remember, so I say Antichrist, now spirit we go enter person. So this one say that spirit, he go gather every king, every president, and their soldier there. He go gather them for one place where they call Armageddon. Armageddon, there for this world where they talk. He get the place like that. He get a place like that. Then go gather for there. And at that place, now they go get battle. We gave war, and go there. It go there between the counterfeit Christ and the original, the correct Christ. Now there the two of them go meet face to face. You know one day there. Now there the two of them go meet face to face. Now there the two of them go show who be the real one, who be the real person, where is the Messiah. Now there the matter go happen. Now there the matter go take happen. So Armageddon na a place. And the place they exist. He did for this reward now. Yes, they did it. And that day, he said they will gather and they go fight. And if one ain't go win, the other one go lose out big time. My brother, which side do they on? Now your own hand you do. Not be anybody hand. Make we go to the next question. This question we want to deal with now. Now, bonge question. Because the question they ask say for people where Oga Jesus don't save, should be them go remain like that for the rest, forever and never. Anyhow, they feel live their life anyhow, they go remain like that. And many people believe say now so it's supposed to be. Now so yes, after all don't save on. But to understand wetin this thing mean, we guess understand wetin Bible they talk. So make we see wetin Bible talk. For John chapter 10, John chapter 10, verse 28. See wetin Bible talk. He said, I don't give them life we know the end, and them no go ever die. Nobody go fit take them command from my hand. Hallelujah. This one I waiting Oga Jesus talk. And you know, say Jesus no dey talk any, I need to scatter yarn in talker. So, but for this thing to work, we guys go back to the book of John, chapter 6, verse 27. Yes, John chapter 6, verse 27. As a matter of information, I get 23 things where go show, say, anybody will go follow God Jesus go, he go get to satisfy these things. 23. We go do that one for another video. But to help us understand, say, not be said because you believe, say, grace day, then you just do any na lie. Even Bible talk and say, people will go endure to the end, now then they go save. Meaning, say, you get people no go endure to the end, they go stop halfway. So you go allow person when no walk you reach the house, make it enter the same house, so you go stay. That's what the matter be. So make we see what Bible talk for that John chapter 6, verse 27. Make we enter the matter. For the book of John 6, 27, make una see wetin Bible talk, wetin God word talk, so that it go help us understand whether these people, where they serve them, whether they go feel lose their salvation when the end time don't they show or not. Whether the answer is yes or no. Make una see wetin Bible talk for that book of John, chapter 6, verse 27. He said, make una no work for food wey no dey last. Make una no work for food wey no dey last, but for food wey go give una life wey no dey end. And that kind food na only man pikin go fit give una, because na him God send come. Meaning say you guys follow Baba God wella. He get the kind waka where you go waka, you go come out for the line. He get the kind food where you guys eat if you go do the thing where go make Baba God say follow me. So for this matter now, it means say person though God want make him save to the very end, if he decide say I no want make you save me, make I come out, because everybody get the opportunity to choose. So person when Baba God don't decide say you no go come off my hand, I go only where that person fit decide say nah brother don't tire, make I come off for here. You need to allow, you need to give me a chance to do it. I want be myself. So now so it be. When I remember saying now so God tell Adam from the beginning. Then I said, no, do this thing. If you do this thing, he go finish you. Adam do am. That same thing with God. So but God tell and say the day we go short this thing, you go die. And the death there not be saying him die physical. Even though say now later in they take that. But that death when they talk, now the spirit of God when they with her don't come out. Sure, you know, say when Papa God's spirit not deal with person, that person don't already die. Yes, so because every human being does get the spirit when they help and when they work out with him. So when the spirit of Baba God not day your life, you know they live. You just they exist, but you know they live. So when you really start to live your life, now when you surrender your heart to God Jesus, now that time you will get life. So and when he come, not be saying that you go they tell and waiting in good. Now you go they tell you what you go do. So To say whether when the end times show or when as a day happen every day now, say whether person feel losing salvation, the answer now yes, it's possible. Even though say Jesus Christ to no one make it happen. But you as a person feel decide say you no go follow again. And then again, you fit one. That's what it be. That's what it be. Now we go to the next question.